Hello, I'm Timo Hallantie. I'm the head of unit of Future Emerging Technologies unit in the Research Executive Agency, RIA. I'm going to talk to you about FET program and where it belongs in the Horizon 2020, which is the EU framework program for research and innovation. The H2020 covers 3 building blocks. It has excellence in science, which is building and contributing to the science community in Europe. We have industrial leadership, which is supporting new technologies for business world. And we have societal challenges covering research concerning issues that are affecting every people's and citizens' life. The budget of H2020 is 77 billion euros for 7 years. It's divided for these 3 building blocks in a rather equal way. Excellent science, where Future Emerging Technologies, FET belongs, has a budget of 24.4 billion euros. Inside excellence in science, we find 4 major areas of actions. We have European Research Council, Marie Sklodowska-Curie actions, and Research Infrastructures program, and also Future Emerging Technologies program with a budget of 2.7 billion euros. Of this 2.7 billion euros, 40% are reserved for FET Open actions, which makes about 150 million euros per year. The Future Emerging Technologies are supporting collaborative research in order to extend Europe's capacity to advance and have a paradigm changing for innovation. We are fostering scientific collaboration across all scientific disciplines on a radically new high-risk ideas. The FET's mission is to turn Europe's excellent science base into a competitive advantage by uncovering radically new technological possibilities. And the word here to pay attention is really radical. We are looking for projects that are ready to make a leap of faith, to jump from what we know today into totally new technological areas, really beyond what is considered the state of the art today. We are interested in supporting a large set of early stage, high-risk, visionary science and technology projects, which are necessary for successful exploration of new foundations for radically new technological futures. The idea is to look for a nurture early ideas that require a fast, agile, and risk-friendly approach. Often this is found in highly interdisciplinary research projects. And often this can be happening by bringing in new actors, such as small and medium-sized companies who were traditionally maybe not taking part in long-term research projects, or young researchers. But we are not just looking any kinds of research projects. We have identified 6 gatekeepers which define the typical characteristics of these projects. First of all, the project should have a long-term vision. We are not looking for small steps. We are not looking for projects that are just looking where we stand at today in the state of the art. It should go far beyond into the future. There should be some kind of breakthrough in the project. They should be scientifically ambitious and technologically concrete, really aiming to have some kind of concrete output at the end of the project lifetime. The breakthroughs could be also foundational in the sense that they can establish a new basis, a new kind of technological area, which is currently not widely anticipated. The idea should be novel. We are not looking for small incremental steps. We are looking for those leaps of faith that I was talking earlier about. Risk is not a problem. We actually look for projects that are ready to take a high risk, ready to look for things which we are not sure if they can be attained at the current situation. Often these gatekeepers are met by bringing in actors from different scientific disciplines. This kind of multi or interdisciplinary approach helps to build a typical FET Open projects that we are ready and interested in funding for. The projects should have a concrete impact. This could take place, for example, by bringing a new line of technology, demonstrating that there is a proof of principle existing, and that can lead later on into a new scientific underpinning. Or the project could be kickstarting, creating a new emerging innovation ecosystem with high potential actors with a solid baseline and feasibility for a new technological area. In summary, FET Open projects are open. They are open to all disciplines. We are not favoring any scientific area over the other. No thematic restriction. But we are not funding just any kind of projects. Remember those gatekeepers. We want specific kind of projects. Projects that are building, who are growing and giving seeds for future industrial leadership with new kinds of radical technologies. Thank you.